back in August I buried that floppy disk underground, and it's now late January, so it's been over 6 months, and we're going to dig it up and see if it's totally destroyed now, or maybe it'll even still read. The snow is not going to make this that easy. Well, I waited a couple days for the snow to melt. Let's try this again. Alright, it's a little hard to see, but I did finally get to it. Right there. It's probably about 8 inches deep. Alright, I took this into the garage to get out of the wind, and it's actually not as damaged as I thought it would be. There's obviously tons of dirt on it, and especially the little spindle on the back has rust marks on it. But even the metal covering clip still actually closes. It's hard to see on camera, but there's tons of moisture and dirt actually on the disc surface itself, so I kind of doubt this would still read. But maybe someday I can take this case off and put the disc into a different case and see if it would read. Wow, I come back and guess what? My tripod blew over.